I always assumed that, rhinoplasty was like for the, the rich and famous. For a long time, I always knew that I didn't like my nose, so I think, and I became more conscious of it, I think, since I was like 15 years old. There are times I would, like meet people or just be in a regular place, people that I'm used to, and, like you'd introduce yourself, and the first thing they would do is something like this. And I knew exactly that, obviously they're sizing out my nose. So stuff like that always bothered me. So I basically bounced from one doctor to the other, spent so much money, approximately about $200 on each consultation. But no one really told me what I wanted to hear or what would actually be something that I wanted to get done. And I went as far as Maryland to one doctor who actually said he was an African American doctor, so therefore he understood where African Americans came from in terms of what they wanted to accomplish and they wanted to achieve. And he didn't give me much confidence either. So when I came back, I went back again online, and I finally, came across Dr. Rizk, and I decided to give him a try. And just the moment I walked in, I mean, the place is absolutely immaculate, just beautiful. The staff were very friendly. And when I met with Dr. Rizk, I mean, he was, I just knew that he was the one. I don't know. He just explained it, and I just knew that he understood exactly what I was looking for. And that was it. I just made an appointment right there and then. And the doctor was very, very nice too. I mean, he's very, very casual, very involving. And I mean, that was really a plus. And of all the doctors that I went to, and this is true, they all had, some doctors had, well, actually all the doctors except for Dr. Rizk, they all had like mixed reviews. Like some some patients would say, well, I went to him and he was this and this, he was really good in this and this. And then other patients would be like, well, he's not the best doctor to go to, don't go to him. Except for Dr. Rizk. He was the only one who had like 100% positive reviews. And that's one of the things that made me very confident that he was probably going to do a really good job. So far, I've had 3 of my friends who have actually complimented me. When they look at my before and they look at my after, and they can't believe the difference, even though it's only been 10 days. And as the doctor said, I still have a lot of healing to do, about 30% more. So just with my 10 days after surgery, I feel very confident in what I am right now and what will be in the next 6 months to a year to 2 years. It's been a great experience. Absolutely great experience. I mean, what he has achieved in terms of my surgery, I think surpassed my expectation by I mean, if the swelling didn't go down any better than what it is right now, I'll still be very content.